Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Shares in Asia Pacific were mixed Monday as the US dollar strengthened strongly in Asia trade. The European and American markets were both lower. After Russia cuts off gas supplies to Europe, the euro falls below 99 cents. Oil prices rose by more than 2% before an OPEC Plus meeting. Over the weekend, the G7 agreed to limit Russian oil prices. After jumping as high as 1.2% the previous session, gold is flat Monday. This was due to cautious investors focusing on the U.S. Federal Reserve's rate hike path after mixed jobs data. Asian Pacific market. The Japanese service sector's activity has declined for the first time since March. The seasonally adjusted Jibun Bank Japan Services Purchasing Managers Index fell to 49.5 in August, compared with 50.3 in July. According to S&P, the marginal decline is the first contraction of service sector activity since March. Record lows are still being recorded for the Japanese yen. Australia's business activity grows at the slowest pace in 7 months. Seasonally adjusted S&P Global Australia Services PMI Business Activity Index was 50.2 in August. This is lower than July's 50.9 and marks the slowest rate growth in 7 years. The Aussie bounced back from the local support at $0 and 6,770 cents. Market of Europe. The Eurozone is likely to enter recession. Monday's surveys showed a worsening cost of living crisis. Consumers are also being cautious about spending. Although there was some improvement in price pressures, the surveys showed that they were still high. The European Central Bank is also under pressure because inflation is at a record high of 9.1%. more than 4 times the 2% target. The euro dropped below the support level of $0.99, but bounced back and was back in the range. On Monday, Liz Truss will be the leader of Britain's Conservative Party. Sterling consolidates within the downtrend boundaries. Market of America. The news calendar has been removed. The United States is on vacation to celebrate Labor Day. The Canadian dollar hovers around the local lows on one of its range sides. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.